Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your first Ledger bot. First, you'll need to select a reputable platform that offers bot integration and supports the cryptocurrencies or assets you wish to trade. Next, create an account and complete any necessary verification steps. Finally, ensure your account is funded with the required minimum balance, which might be around $100, to begin operating your bot effectively. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start. Now let's connect your bot to your exchange. You'll need to generate API keys from your exchange account, ensuring they have the correct permissions for trading but not withdrawals. Carefully input these keys into your Ledger bot's configuration settings. Then, define your bot's core parameters, including your preferred trading pairs, investment amount, and risk tolerance. This step is vital for the bot to execute trades according to your strategy. With your bot connected, it's time to refine its strategy. Choose a trading approach that suits your investment style, whether it's dollar-cost averaging or a more complex arbitrage. Utilize the platform's backtesting features to simulate your strategy against historical market data, helping you understand its potential performance. When you're ready, consider starting with a small portion of your capital, perhaps 10%, for initial live testing to observe real-world results. After launching, continuous monitoring is key. Regularly check your bot's performance metrics and stay informed about market trends. Be prepared to adjust your bot's parameters or even its strategy if market conditions change significantly or if it's not meeting your expectations. Remember, optimization is an ongoing process. Also, for those looking for great deals, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic offers. Keeping an eye on your bot and staying hydrated are both important for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.